Kitchen 101. Vinaigrettes are easy to make. A classic vinaigrette is 1 part vinegar to 3 parts oil. But rules are meant to be broken. So if you like a tangier salad, by all means, use a little more vinegar and a little less oil. And while we're breaking the rules, don't limit yourself to vinegar. The idea is something acidic, which means citrus juice is another great option. And really, vinegar isn't very limiting, with balsamic, red wine, rice wine, and apple cider, just to name a few. There's no shortage of variety. Here's how to make a basic red wine vinaigrette. In a jar with a lid, add your favorite red wine vinegar and some olive oil. Add some finely chopped onion, garlic, and dried herbs. Throw in a pinch of salt and pepper, and a bit of mustard. Screw the lid on tight and shake it up. Mix and match ingredients each time for something new. A quick aside on mustard. You probably know that oil and water don't mix, ditto on oil and vinegar. Mustard can help keep them combined a little longer, but even with the addition of mustard, you will still want to give your vinaigrette a good shake each time before you use it. Vinaigrette is a great option for more delicate greens like a spring mix, but it holds up just as well in a grain or pasta-based salad, or even on hearty vegetables like a cabbage slaw. Vinaigrette will deliver tangy flavor however you choose to use it. See you next time.